In this video, I'll show you how to update your Brother HL-L3220CDW printer or many other models that are looking like this one. So the easiest way to update this printer is to download the Brother Mobile Connect app on your Android or iPhone. You can do the same thing on a PC computer or Mac computer, but in my opinion, it has a lot more steps. So once you downloaded the app and you have connected the printer to the app, all right, usually on the main screen of the app, you should click on the top right corner over here, click add machine, and the printer will be added as long as the smartphone and the printer are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, once you've done this, you're going to see your printer on the top. Click on it. Go down. You're going to see firmware version. Click on it. And then just click the update button. It will take a few minutes. So let's come back when this is done. We are back and I got this message. Check if your machine complete the firmware update. So on my printer, I didn't have time to check the screen over here, but I heard the fan going on. Nothing got printed, but at the end, it simply said ready, and now it's going deep sleep. So the firmware update has been completed. So this is about it. This is how you update your Brother printer. Hopefully this will solve any issues you're having with this unit, if this was the case. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.